G'day guys, how's it going? Well, on today's video, I've got myself a new toy. Speaking of new toys, holy moly, I've been totally bitten by the cast iron bug. I've been buying cast iron cookware and doing cast iron cooking videos and I'm having a ball. But do you ever think to yourself, how many old cast iron bloody camp ovens and skillets and that are sitting in people's sheds and barns all over the world just going rusty doing nothing? Well anyway, check this out. My latest addition to my cooking utensils. Check it out. Check out this old girl. Found this in the shed at the in-laws place. They said I could have it. Cast iron skillet, I guess you call it. She's 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters, which is about 12 inches by 12 inches. And I don't think this thing has seen any cooking action in probably 20 or 30 years. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it outside, I'm going to hit it with the gurney, then I'm going to wire brush it, then I'm going to work down through a few different grades of sandpaper until we get a nice smooth finish, and then we'll take it out the back to the Camp Kookaburra camping cooking section and we're going to season it. I'll show you what to do. You got to heat it, oil heat, and get a nice new coat of seasoning on this bad boy, ready to go again. Alright, let's get stuck in. Right here guys, well tell you what, that's bloody hot work out there, eh? I was sweating. Okay, so the wire brush has done a bloody magic job, I'll tell you what. So what I have to do now is get stuck into it with some sandpaper, get up inside these corners that I couldn't get with the wire brush, sand it all off, go down to a smaller grade grit of sandpaper, do it one more time, and then I'll do all that on fast forward, and then we'll oil it and start seasoning. Okay, so I abandoned the sandpaper. It's too hard, too much like hard work, mug of that. Got into it with a little wire brush on the drill, running at pretty slow speed, and I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna nip outside, hit it with the gurney one more time, just to get all the little bits of dirt and stuff out of all the pores. Then I'll dry it, and I'll come back in and show you how to start seasoning it. Right here, guys. So, what have we done so far? We gurneyed it. We hit it with the wire brush. We tried sanding it. I put that idea in the too hard basket. Busted out the drill with the wire brush on it to get into all the edges. Then I took it outside and I gurneyed it again to get any little foreign objects and rust and bits of metal out of the surface. Then I was wiping it down, getting ready to oil it, and even after all that gurneying, it made the rag dirty again. So I made the executive decision. I know you're not supposed to use soap on cast iron, but this thing's been sitting in the shed for 20 years. Chooks have been shitting on it, rats, mice, God knows what else. So I gave it a really good scrub with a green scourer and some soap, and then shed's falling apart. And then then I rinsed it thoroughly and dried it. So this bad boy is now ready for oiling and seasoning. So what I'm going to do is get rid of the rag that isn't dirty. Just get some canola oil. You don't want lots and lots. And you just chuck a little bit in, like so, and rub it all around. Rub it into every nook and cranny on the pan. Rightio, she's oiled. Now, this thing's got a big old handle on it, won't fit in the oven for seasoning, so I'm just going to season it on the gas cooktop at the back of the fire pit. So let's go out there and get this thing hot. Rightio, she's oiled up. Just going to light this bad boy. There we go. And we're gonna, because like I said, I can't fit this in the oven for seasoning, so I'm just gonna do it on here. So basically what we'll do is we'll get it really hot, and then we'll let it cool down. Then we'll oil it, and we'll get it really hot, and we'll let it cool down, and we'll do that 5 times, and then I'll show you the final result. Righto. Rightio guys, here we have it, the finished result. Look at that. It's like brand new. Not gonna lie to you, I've only done it twice so far, but I'm not gonna drag this video out any longer. So I'm just gonna keep oiling and heating throughout the afternoon, but this is basically what you end up with. And this thing's ready to use again. Hey, how cool is that? Save myself 40 bucks. Alrighty, so if you enjoyed the video, do us a favor and hit the old like, share and subscribe buttons. And I'll keep the cast iron videos and all the other sorts of videos coming. Rightio, see you later.